What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Peter Pan. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two small ovals for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now along the bottom of the eyes, along the outside, we're going to add a fold, going up and then out across the cheeks. And we'll pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going all the way around, and then up. Line that up on the right side. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes and draw the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to curve the nose going up, come around and up toward the left. Let's add a bump for the nostril, coming down and then up towards the side. Go back to the center, over towards the right side. We're going to add a fold, going up and then out. Let's go underneath the nose. We're going to draw a slight curve going across the mouth from left to right. And I'll bend this up, aiming towards the eyes. And I'll add a bracket across the corners of the mouth. Let's add the teeth, starting from this point, curve this down and then up. Now going back out to the side, I'm going to bend the mouth, coming in and then down. Close off the mouth with another curve. Let's move up, add a small curve, a lower row of teeth. Then we move back up towards the left side, add the tongue, going up and then down. Let's go back down towards the bottom, add a fold across the lip. Now, from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw in the cheeks. We're going to start with the left side. Bend this out, bend this in, and then come down towards the chin. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to go out, round at the cheek, come in, and then bend that down towards the chin. And we're just going to round out the chin. Now, let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to curve the hairline going up and then in towards the top. And we want to brush the hair down the middle. So we're going to come in and then down towards the point. Bend this back up. I'm going to step down, add another point, coming down. Now I want to go all the way around the outside, going up and then over towards the left. Let's add another point, going across, bring this out toward the left. I'm just going to curve this down towards that part, towards this point. Now we move over towards the right side, bend the edge of the hair going out and then down towards the cheek. Now I can go in and add in the eyebrows. In this area, bend this up and down. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the outside, we go higher in the middle and then down towards the point on the inside. Let's go back to the top of the cheeks. We're going to add the edge of the hair going out and then up, going around the ears. Now from here, step down, bend the ear, going up and then out. From the tip of the ear, bend this in and then down. And we'll curl the earlobes, coming around and then in towards the cheeks. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to add a fold across the top of the ears. Now we're going to draw on the left side of the hair, starting up here, bend this up and then down. Add a point, round and then down, add another point, and then we're going to bend this in on top of the ear. Let's go over towards the right side along the top, going all the way around and then down. Let's add a point, come all the way around, and then again in behind the top of the ear. Now we're going to place the hat on top of the head. You're going to start on the left side. You're going to add a fold, going across, and then in towards the middle. Let's go over towards the left side, right on top of the hair. You go up, across, and then out. Let's round out the tip of the hat, and let's bend this down on top of that fold. Let's add the feather on the left side. We're going to start with the center seam, bend this up and then out. Let's draw the inside, coming in, and then back down towards a point. Let's draw the left side, coming down about halfway, And we're going to add a little notch and then bend this in towards the bottom. Now let's go back to the center. Along the side of the chin, curve the neck, coming down towards the bottom of the collar, bend this down and then in toward the center. From the outside, we're going to curve the collar going up and then down. And we'll tuck the collar going up and then in toward the side of the neck. Now I'm going to finish off by drawing the bottom of the hair underneath the ear, coming down and then in, add a point, come down and in, and we'll just tuck that up underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Peter Pan. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.